everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole with Made from Scrap, and today I have another Country Craft Creations design team haul to share with you all that I just received the package, and this is going to be fun. If you haven't already seen some of the lovely projects that have started to be made with this paper collection, you need to check it out. This is Graphic 45's paper collection that's called The Beach is Calling, and what I have laid out right here is the 12 by 12 patterns and solids pack. I went ahead and flipped over the sheet so that you could see what is on the back side of each sheet, so you can see what the A and the B side of the sheets. And isn't this pretty? Look at the light blues, the tans, and then the dark blues. Isn't it beautiful? So they do give you a sneak peek on this cover sheet as to all the different papers that you see the patterns of, but like I said, you can see that there's solids as well, so matching beautifully. Now, to go along with this patterns and solids, I also got the other papers, and I went ahead and flipped those over as well. But isn't this stunning? I mean, just look at it, just fanned out. It's pretty, right? So I can't wait to use this collection. I just love, love, love these colors. So here's one of the main sheets. You can see that you have all these little stamps down at the bottom. You have some larger postage stamps as well on here with the border strip too to use. So there are so many fantastic pieces to use in this collection. So let me just do a quick flip through here so you can see. Beautiful. Doesn't this paper collection just scream driftwood? I'm thinking a little bit of grays in here, the light gray linen cardstock. That's what I'm thinking. Might pair well with the tan. So let me see. Look at this blue. You got the polka dots. So you got the stripes, you got the polka dots, you got the pretty bathing suits here, your stripes in the blue colors. I mean, it's just gorgeous. Look at that. The beach is calling. I do like to go to the beach on occasion for just relaxing, you know, just listening to the waves. So this is just gorgeous image right here. I love that. I love that. How pretty is that? Look at these postcards. Isn't that gorgeous? The imagery here is just on point. There you go. There's the blue. There's another large sheet here. Look at the strip that you can cut out and use. Isn't that pretty? Okay, then the other thing, let me set these aside. Even though they are gorgeousness, let me set those aside because I also got the rub-ons. So this is the transfer set of rub-ons. So if you haven't used rub-ons before, they are so fun. You get a little popsicle stick here. You get the images printed onto the paper backing. You actually cut around what you want to use, and then that way you're not having some of the other rub-ons come off. So you can cut those out. I will show you in the tutorial that I make for this paper collection how to do that. And aren't these pretty? Just gorgeous. So, so, so pretty. Loving that. Thank you, Tammy, for sending me those rub-ons. They're gorgeous. Then I also got the chipboard tags and frames. And let me just show you what is in here. Look at all these. This is the whole collection here. So all different shapes. You can see we got some frames, we got tags. Aren't they pretty? They're the chipboard, you know, so they have some thickness to them. You can take them apart like this. You make more of them like by doing that. So now you have the frames, but they're using every little bit when they do that to take advantage of the chipboard. So you get a couple pieces out of that, right? So now you have a little tag, oval tag, and an oval frame. So that is so fun to do. Let's see, little postages. Those are cute. Little bathing suits. So showing you those, even some good size frames here. These larger frames, look at the stars, they are 3 3/4 inches by 5 3/4 inches, so good size. Okay, so you get all of those. Isn't that fun? Yeah? Okay, so let's move that over to the side real quick, and I'm going to show you the last part of the design team package that I got because this is super fun. Let me bring in this little tray here. I'm just going to dump them out. So this is the Ephemera assortment pack, and there is a bunch of ephemera in here. Let's see if it says how many. maybe 56, I think is what that says. So look how cute. You get a couple of flowers even that you can play around with, the flowers, so that's fun. You even get some sentiments, so that would be great. A lot of you know that I try to do with my paper collections at least a layout, 12 by 12 layout, so that would be fun. You can have some scroll pieces, of course the sandcastle, right? Look at that, how pretty. You can't really see that, I guess, with the glare. I'll just hate that. Let me try to get this a little closer. Maybe you can see better. Okay, so we have some fun pieces that are little sentiments here. Then we have these. Here's some more flower pieces. Even, oh, look at that. Okay, checking us out. Some more banners. You can put letters of your own on there. That's fun. And then these are so nice. What about on card? Quick cards. Let's go to the beach. Invitation to somebody for a nice beach day. I don't know, it's a little chilly here and I live in Florida today, but this collection is super fantastic and I definitely am looking forward to using it. Like I said, there's some, look at the little bathing suit. Oh, so cute. There's another one. Oh, okay, scrolls. Some more seashells. Oh, that's pretty. You're like an abalone shell. There's a bunch of shells. And you have your little leaves and more sentiments. So that's super fun. So definitely looking forward to using this paper collection. Check out countrycraftcreations.com for fabulous paper collections that you can purchase along with the Artisan Cardstock to go with it. And check out my channel here. I will be putting together a tutorial soon using this collection and look forward to seeing you there for that. Until next time, everyone, happy crafting you all. Bye.